Alrighty, Todd. So you got a special car you want to talk about here?
Yeah, very impressive. So it just looks like your normal average Special 63. This one is unrestored. As you see here, right-hand drive Corvette 63 Stingray with the fuel injection, but it's also a Z06. So this one has some really interesting credentials. Bloomington benchmark. It looks like it wasn't actually a real car. Reading that closer, right-hand drive Export Z06 GM show car. So whether or not it actually gets some service, we don't know. It does say 100, 1 of 199 produced. So I don't know. But it's got these special little plates there and a nice kind of navy blue color. You can see the fiberglass and the finish the way it is, that it has not been restored. Pretty cool. I had no idea that these even existed. But just looking around here with how many 63s there are, and they have one that was a right-hand drive. It's pretty impressive.
Yeah, that's pretty neat.
Neat combo, if to say the least.
Yep. The interior looks really good in it and everything. Also, it is the split window. So, yeah. Yeah, Daytona blue, that's interesting.
Z06 special heavy-duty suspension, Z06 metallic brakes, fin drums. That's cool. That is cool. Neat piece of history. Daytona blue, that's cool.
Yep. And it's sold too, so even better.
That's a neat collection.
Yeah.
Cool.
Very nice.